Hey there, I'm very excited to show you this model because I think my best friend may just buy this model. It's the new Premier homes from Mattamy Builders over here in Rivertown. And this particular model is a single story. It's called the Topaz. It's a Craftsman style that I'm going to show you. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's a little bit under 3,500 square feet and it has a 3-car garage, just a killer backyard. Wait until I show you that. So we're gonna go inside. I might as well start from the outside so you can see what it looks like and give you a tour. Here we go. Actually, I will have a disclaimer here. I like this floor plan so much, I would consider selling my 2-story and getting this one. So let's take a look. Of course, my husband won't like that. So by the way, I'm Gail DeMarco and I'm your local real estate agent here in St. Johns County, all the way from St. Johns, Rivertown to Ponte Vedra Beach. You can find me. I work with people all day long just like you. And if you've been to my channel before and you've come back, well, you're brave. But welcome. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I'm always trying to put out good content, you know, not just home tours, but things that may benefit you when you're thinking about relocating. It took me 2 years to relocate here from California 3 years ago. So if I can help spare you any of the heartache that I had to go through, that's my goal. All right, let's go take a look. And by the way, my number is 904-640-8000. And if you could please subscribe to my channel so I don't have to hear from my husband how I'm wasting all this time doing this. Yeah, he says that. But there you go. If you could subscribe to my channel and like the video if you think it's any good, I'd appreciate it. Have a good one and let's take a look. Okay, here it is, the Topaz model. Also, one thing about Mattamy is here in Rivertown, they have made a commitment to keep 1/4 of it natural. So natural parks, what you see, and not just because it's a model, but it is everywhere here in Rivertown. When you come out here for your buyer tour, you will see. So nice. Like I said, this is the Craftsman elevation. And true story, my assistant of 12 years wants to buy this house. Well, not this one, but she wants to have one built. Look at the wide entry. I really like the tile all the way up to the ceiling. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have your room here. And look at the size of these closets. Walk-in. I love an epoxy garage floor. Plenty of room for storage. Nice home gym. And all these accents that you see in the model and all the models, it's really not that expensive. My husband is actually a general contractor, and I work with some great contractors, not just him. Get you these upgrades for such a reasonable price. Okay, my favorite room, not the bathroom, well, that too. And I love wallpaper, the new wallpaper that's coming out now. My favorite room is the laundry room. Nice big laundry room. Okay guys, look at this room. Well, actually, before we look at this room, look at this room. Oh my gosh. These homes start about $780,000. Like I said, it's just under 3,400 square feet. I love the way they did this. So you have like an office, sitting room, and it opens up to the kitchen. There's your front door, your wide entryway. And I just love what they did to the ceiling. Okay, check this out. This is the Premier series for Mattamy. And they have some beautiful lots right now. Oh my gosh. Like gorgeous lots. Court locations. Using KitchenAid products. And believe me, I'm a Sub-Zero wolf snob. I love KitchenAid. Now they do have pull-out drawers, and most of all the bottom cabinets. You could put easily, now think about this, you could easily put 6 bar stools here, okay? Now you've got your butler's kitchen, coffee bar. I would just make this a bar. Then you have this huge pantry. Nice little refrigerator. Mattamy has really come out of the gate with this new Premier series. This is absolutely a model that I could live here very happily. So look at this. Now, we love to entertain. So here is seating for 4 people. Here's seating for 8 people. Here's seating for another 6 people. Oh, actually, I'm wrong, sorry, probably another 10 people. Okay, and then you've got another 6 people. So next Saturday, I'm having my Christmas party. I have 60 people coming over. 60, I invite all my neighbors, and we're worried about where we're gonna sit everybody. This would totally solve my problem. I would love this. I'm gonna go here so you can get a really good look. And it's almost 6 o'clock at night here, so it's kind of dark. This house has so much natural light, the way they have all the windows. You know, double sliders, pocket doors. See if I can open this. Oh my gosh, and here's seating again for 6 people. Look at this. You could put some heaters up here, but it never really gets that cold. It also has a pool bathroom out here. So look at this slider. This actually opens up all the way. Do you see that spot right there? That's where all of the doors tuck into, right there. They'll tuck into there. And honestly, when this model comes for sale, guess who might raise their hand? Me. This is the beautiful lot. Probably won't be for sale for another 8 years. Could be 10. That's how long it took. But I can find you a lot like this. I can absolutely do that. Do you see why I love this house? Okay, so this is probably the best part of my job. I love going into models. I love going into people's homes that are selling their homes and just admiring it and saying, oh my gosh, you know, this is incredible, or just imagining how incredible it can be with just a few different things. So hope you enjoyed the tour of the Topaz model here at Mattamy over in Rivertown. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see this model and you'd like to see the lots that are still available, just reach out to me. I will send you over what is sold, what's available, and I can even go there, FaceTime you. I can show you what I think would be the best model for your family. Maybe it's not the Topaz. Maybe you need a 2-story because you don't want the kids anywhere near you. You want them upstairs. You know, I have a 2-story just for that one reason. I have my guest suite upstairs and I have that bonus room upstairs. So my grandkids come over, I can see them when they run up and down the stairs, but I can't hear them. Anyway, it was so great showing you this model. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Topaz model. It's the Premier Series here at Mattamy over in Rivertown. They have some incredible lots, incredible deals, and incredible quick move-ins. And if you want more information, just give me a call at 904-640-8000. Again, I'm Gail DeMarco. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have, I really appreciate you. You have a good one, and thanks so much.